Hello friends, welcome back again. In this video, we will try to create the single switch on-off control in INVT PLC. So let's get started. First of all, we will open our AutoStation software and here we will create the program. What we will do, first we will take the one input address X0 for example. This is our one single switch, one push when we make this will our motor will be on, motor or bulb or whatever which you like to be design. That's our main execution. Yani one single push on and double push off. So next we will take the help of increment. We will make this program with the help of increment command. So when we type in the INC and next D0 we will write, and this line will be completed, and in the next row, but before this one we will here we have need first SM0, sorry, this we will type LD SM0 first we will type, and next we will be take LDX0, and next this we will be take insert switch input overclock, and here we will be type give the rising edge, and next row same we will be type LD SM0, and next we will use the command LD equal D0 by 1, and next we will take our output which we like to make the on. This we will be delete, and here we will be take this X0 out, Y0, any bit you can take, no problem. And in the next we will be take line LD SM0 and type LD greater than or equal our D0 by 2. So here we have to make RST, oh sorry, not RST, we have to be use the move command, move 0 into D0. So this is just only 3 lines program for our output Y0, and just this program we will be download into the PLC. And make it monitor. And now as I press this X0, you can see our Y0 is now on, and as I give the second signal to the X0, so our Y0 will be off. Again I will press X0 on, again press X0 off. So how this program works, you can see we are choosing the increment command, and here D0, here we decided when our D0 is equal with 1, our output Y0 will be on, and next signal we will make greater than or equal when our D0 with 2, our value 0 moves into the D0. So very simple and easy method. In just 3 lines we can create this program for single switch on off control. Again I will press this X0. You can see our Y0 is now on. Second signal when I press, our Y0 will be off. So hope guys you will be understand about this control, how we can design the single switch on off control. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.